Hello, Xyoo. Welcome to part 3 of my tribute to Paradise. I do truly appreciate your presence here and your continual support. If you haven't already, please do like, share, and especially subscribe to my channel. A lot of great new content coming out. If this is your first time joining me in this series, this is the third, and there have already been 2. Both of those are linked down below in the video description. Whereas the 2 last videos were of Paradise setting up, the videos moving forward are actually with the front sound audio completely up, and the lights are up also. You can really begin to hear the warmth and the natural reverb of the room. The lights are gorgeous. I will also be commenting throughout the video. I do hope that you enjoy these videos. Okay, so everything's set up, lights are on, Ko's getting ready. This song is called Hlub Koj Tshaj. It's from Paradise's first album, Before My Time. It's a beautiful ballad, just classic, straightforward rock. I'll link the original on YouTube that someone posted up in the description also if you want to hear it. And so a big part of sound checking is just trying to figure out if you can hear yourself and if the levels are right. It's pretty challenging. In this song I use a very thick and beautiful organ that kind of just sits in the back. It's so full that you don't really have to play a lot. This is the real nice ambience of the room. That catwalk there is notoriously hard to sing on because you can't hear yourself. There are lights, but there are no speakers. actually pretty good for the first front of house mix. Yep, we survived the first one. So here Fong's just up in front of the dead zone where you can't hear anything. So Paradise is notorious for rewriting our songs, because when we write our songs, and so 20 years later we start playing them the way we wanted to play them, and our live sound is completely different from our CD sound also. Use the guitar. I think this is where, so this is a sound check. So at this point, April's mic isn't even working right yet. So there goes Fong. Occasionally you'll see singers put their hand by their ear, and the reason why they do that is because they can hear with the other ear, but that when you cup your ear, you can really hear your own voice. I don't even know how Fong and Kodam were able to sing there. When I was singing Toko, I could not hear a thing, and I wasn't used to it, because actually those lights, you know why you can see them so well? It's because the lights are shooting at them. But the consequence of that is that the person singing can't see anything. So not only is the dead zone awful in terms of what you hear, but once you're up there, you can't see anyone either. Those are the videos for today. I appreciate you joining me. Please return tomorrow for the continuation of the series. Again, if you haven't had a chance yet, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.